Hi guys, this is Ellie,
And then,
and he's sleep, and he's. I'm gonna change her diaper. I'll teach her how to take her babies, and I'm the mother of Ellie, and I'm wearing a striped shirt.
that's a
And,
striped shirt,
and this is my panty.
panty.
That's my home.
Wow, it's your home. Okay, no. How about you teach us how to take care of babies?
Yeah, and do you want go in my home and check out it? Okay, let's go. I'll change her diaper later.
Okay. How about right now?
Later in Randu's house.
Okay po.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh. Ouch. That's okay. This is my home, guys. This is my door.
Can I look from here? Oh.
Hi, guys. This is my baby crib. Do you want to see my baby crib?
Where is it?
Here.
Can you show it to us?
Here. It's my baby crib. He's scared up dark, but and this is the light here. I'll show you. Here. This is the mermaid light. He cannot be scared.
Okay.
Well, I turn on it later when it's dark. I'll go out and check when there's a monster.
Okay.
And why is this? And this is the curtains. Well, I sleep right here. And Daddy!
What?
Oh,
What?
look, Daddy!
What did I do?
You see that?
Oh no. I see that. Okay, I'm going to fix it later. Okay. Can you come out now?
Yeah, I'm gonna come out later and soon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just getting my work and my baby's gonna sleep here. She's just wanted to have a hiccup. So I'm working. He's not scared because I'm here. And he say, "Where's mommy?" Working.
Mommy is working.
You should play with my baby.
Okay. But why are you working so hard?
Daddy,
Why mommy is working so hard?
where's mommy? Where's mommy? You, Daddy.
Okay. Where's mommy?
You should say, working so hard
Working so hard. Why are you working so hard, mommy?
because I need a lot of para to buy other one. Oh,
All done.
I'm gonna open up the window.
Oh, you're there.
Yep, I'm just opening the window. It's sunny day today. I'm gonna go to my door. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Yum. Oh no, that's okay. It's just my home have a door and the window will open. I'm gonna go.
Okay, I'll say goodbye to your viewers now.
Bye bye. Thank you thank. I'm gonna teach you a lot of more. And this is my house. I love my house so much.
Oh, you say goodbye to them now.
Later,
Later no goodbye.
I'll just teach her how to eat. It's planted canton.
Okay, teach us how to eat pancit canton.
Oh no.
No, it's tangled.
I'll teach you how to go. And when I'm gonna tangle it later when it's my time.
Okay po. So what will you gonna show us today?
It's
What else?
the pancit canton.
Okay. Can you show us how to eat pancit canton?
Yep.
By yourself?
Yep. Oops. Just missing. Yep.
Wow, good job naman mag-eat. Just like that.